Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Little Monsters. Dear Arizona, my parents are always asking me to help out with my little brother. I love him, but a lot of the time he acts more like a little monster than a little boy. Any ideas on what I could do when he acts up? Signed, Bothered by Brother. Dear Bothered, I can relate 200% to your problem. In fact, I have double the trouble because I'm dealing with twins. My sister Indy and my brother Tex are 4.5 years old, but most of the time they act like they're 2. Take last June, for example. It was the first day of summer vacation, and all I wanted to do was nothing. At last, I said to Cal. No more spelling tests, no more math tests, no more homework. Cal was especially happy about the no more homework part. He hates homework more than any cat I know. Just as I was about to plop down and relax on my bed, I heard my mom calling. Arizona, where are you? I just knew that she was going to ask me to do something unrelaxing, so I did the only thing a self-respecting first day of summer vacationer would do. I hid under my cat. Unfortunately, that did not turn out to be the very best hiding place. In fact, if you're ever looking for the perfect thing to hide under, take it from me. A cat should not be your number one choice. Why is the cat on your head, Arizona? Asked Mom. Cat? What cat? I said, pushing Cal's swishy tail away from my eyes. Daddy has a few errands, and I have to get my paperwork done and watch the store, Mom said. So I'd really appreciate it if you could play with the twins for an hour or two. Mom, I begged. Why can't they help you in the store? Please? Mom just stared at me. We both knew perfectly well what happens when the twins help in my parents' grocery store. Let's just say that help isn't quite the right word. You'll be fine, Mom said. I'll get out the game box. You guys will have fun. To be honest, we did have an okay time playing a board game. Until... No fair! Yelled Tex. Indy took 2 turns in a row. Did not! Indy hollered back. Then Tex knocked Indy's game pieces over, and Indy started screaming, and Tex started screaming, and they both started chasing each other around the room. Game pieces were flying everywhere, and, well, it was not exactly my most relaxing moment of summer vacation. What I wanted to do was make like a tree and leave. You know, make like a banana and split. But what I did do, because I was being the best big sister on the planet, was take a deep breath, count to 10, and say in my very most calm, very most grown-up voice, there is no throwing or screaming allowed. You both need to take a timeout right now. But the twins didn't even look at me. They just kept on throwing and screaming and acting like wild animals. Hey! Come on, you guys! I said in a less calm, less grown-up voice. You're going to be in big trouble when Mommy gets back, and I mean it. But they still didn't stop. Was I invisible or something? I could hear the words coming out of my mouth. Why couldn't they? I didn't know what to do. Then I noticed Cal sitting peacefully on the big red chair, and I got a brilliant idea. I hid behind the chair, and I started to meow. Meow! It worked like magic. The twins instantly stopped fighting and came over to the chair. Meow! Please stop screaming, I said in a squeaky voice. You guys are, meow, scaring me. Poor little cow, Indy said, giving him a pat. We're sorry, Cow, Tex said. We didn't mean to scare you. It's okay, I guess, said Cow, who was really me, of course. Would you please just pick up your mess and say you're sorry to your nice big sister and be good until your mom comes back? Then I popped up from behind the chair and said, Boo! Tex and Indy laughed and laughed. When they finally settled down, I reminded them about the no throwing and no screaming rules, and they promised to try to be better. So, dear Bothered, see what I mean? The next time your brother starts acting more like a little monster than a little boy, maybe you could try surprising him with something funny. Cow and I have discovered that a little laughter goes a long way.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.